Well, what can I say except, good job, everyone. I never thought they would be that crazy. Well, at least everyone is still in one piece. I say, congrats to everyone for surviving. So, how do you all feel? I'm tired, boss. You did a great job, Rookie. I should have bought bigger boxes. Boss, there's something that I need to know. Yes, Rookie? These behaviors, do they only happen at Trayson? Or do I also need to worry about other Umas outside of the Academy? Well, the good news is, you don't have to. Let me explain. Humans and umamusume have lived in coexistence since... well, since forever. Umamusume have something that us humans don't. And that's their will to run. But of course, they're not free from their lust either. We know that in ancient history, the estrous cycle was a major problem for us humans. But eventually, through time and conditioning, most umamusume are able to handle their lust. Most. And that brings us to Trayson Academy. There is research about this that says umamusume whose main careers are racing are more sensitive to these feelings. However, we still don't know what caused this. It could be inherited. Maybe it has something to do with their innate will to run. Or maybe, since racing umamusume are healthier, they are in fact hornier? Right. And Trayson is a place where the best of the best runners meet. Either way, we can't really stop them. This place just keeps getting better and better. The consequences of being a Trayson Academy trainer. Am I right? Can't the director do something? I believe the director already did her best by sending Tazen on these fake rings. She loves her students. She doesn't want them to hate her. I feel like I'm being trapped. Guess we all should have read the fine print, huh? Shouldn't there be a drug to help these Umas suppress their lust? There was actually one in the past. The drug is no longer produced, and it had terrible side effects. Like? Deterioration of the immune system. Also, any umamusume who consumes this seems to lose their will to run. For an umamusume, this is basically the end of their dreams. After the failure of their drug, the company behind it went bankrupt. And along with it, their research on the drug was gone. You can't be serious. For trainers like us, there's not much we can do. But don't lose hope yet. Congrats on surviving this battle. I'm sure you all will be better next time. Learn from what you've gone through, and stay safe.